Quick guide: how to edit or revoke an asset. To edit an asset that has already been published in the portal, first access your user profile. In the upper right corner of the page, you will find the user menu. Hover over it and select View Profile. Once inside your profile, you will see a list of all the assets you have published, both datasets and data processing algorithms or services. Find the asset you want to modify and click on it to access its detailed page. Make sure that you are connected to the same network in which the asset was originally published. At the bottom right of the Assets page, just below the area where it can normally be acquired, you will find the Edit Resource button. Click it to open the Assets editing panel. For datasets, there are two main types of modifications you can make: edit metadata or edit compute settings. For algorithms or services, only metadata can be edited. Once you have made the desired changes, click the Submit button to save them. After a few moments, the updates will automatically appear on the portal. To revoke an asset, you must also access the Assets editing panel. Once inside the Assets editing panel, under the Metadata editing section, follow these steps. First, locate the field Asset Status, which currently appears as active. Then, open the drop-down menu and select Revoked by Publisher. Finally, click the Submit button to save the changes and apply the revocation. After completing these steps, the asset will be revoked, meaning it will no longer be available in the marketplace for purchase or computation.